Are you doing enough to reach your dreams? Can I honestly ask you a question? And I want you to really be honest with yourself. Are you actually doing enough to reach the life that you say you want? Or are you doing what feels safe and calling it progress? So let me talk to you about this. This is something that's been on my heart. It's been heavy, and I just feel like that there's something that a lot of people, we say we have dreams. We say we want to reach our dreams. But let me ask you this, because I had to ask myself the same question. And if I'm being honest, there's seasons where I wasn't stuck. I was just comfortable. And comfortable doesn't change life, my friend. Think about this. I heard something that really hit me, and I want to share with you. You're not as far away as what you think you might be. The distance between where you are and the distance between where you want to be, it's just really one more step. What if you didn't post that video today? What if you didn't tell that story to that person today that changed their life? You're just one more step away, my friend. Don't give up on your dream, and don't give up on the person that you need to talk to. So, how do we build the energy up to keep us going one more day? You one more day showing up, one more video, one more decision to not quit. One more moment choosing growth over comfort. That's how life's changed, my friend. When my kids were growing up, there was not an option of being a quitter. There was absolutely not an option to quit something once you started it. So I really want you to think about this. You don't see a seed grow the day you plant it. But it doesn't mean that there's nothing happening. Underneath that surface, something is building. And that might actually exactly be where you are right now. I didn't walk away from what I was doing because I didn't care. I walked away because I didn't want to miss life. And I knew it. If nothing changed, nothing was going to change. I want you to think about where a lot of people are. A lot of people are not failing. They're just waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting to feel needed. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting for things to make sense. But what if the moment you've been waiting for is actually right now? We don't always get to choose how much time that we have. But we do get to choose how we spend that time that we're given. You don't need to compare yourself to other people. You don't need a completely different life. You just need to start making different decisions. If you're watching this right now and something inside of you is saying, I want more. I know I was meant for more. That's not an accident, my friend. So let me ask you this again. Are you doing enough to reach your dreams? And if you said no, that's okay. But today you can take one more step. Because your life doesn't change all at once. It changes one decision at a time. I hope this has been helpful for you. And if it has, please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you need any details on how to get started in making your life different. And I invite you to come join me in my free community, Building Digitally with Christy. We're on the school platform, and the link's provided below as well.